Welcome to Terra Luna Classic Price Prediction in 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, then to 2030. Now, if we decide to invest in Terra Luna, just like Binance founder, Binance CEO, CZ have actually invested in Terra Luna. Now, if we decide to follow him, because he is the number one crypto billionaire, and remember, he was worth about $90 billion before he later dropped down to about $10 billion due to the fall of crypto industry. Now, Binance founder is one of the people who always look at a coin, then choose that particular coin. That is to say, there is something about that coin they always choose. Now, he has invested in Terra Luna, although he lost about $1.6 billion in Terra Luna alone due to the fall of Terra Luna. Now, with his support, because he has been supporting Terra Luna so much, and also Terra Luna has been on the news. In fact, according to coinmarketcap.com, Terra Luna have always been number one crypto coin people has been searching about in CoinMarketCap. That is to say, with millions of people visiting on CoinMarketCap, majority of them are searching about Terra Luna. Now, in the year 2020, without wasting time, the price of Terra Luna is expected to trade, ending the year trading at 0.0003. Now, the current price is actually trading with 0.0009. That is to say, if Terra Luna hits that price of 2022, Terra Luna must have increased by 400%. That is, if you have $100 right now, you may end up making about $400 by the end of 2022. Now, in 2023, we are expecting the price of Terra Luna Classic to hit 0.0009, and in 2024 Terra Luna is expected to hit 0.004. okay, why in 2025, we are talking about the next 3.5 years to come, Terra Luna is expected to hit 1 cent. Now, 1 cent has been the price target of Terra Luna. Even 1 cent is the price Binance itself are actually trying to push Terra Luna to hit in order for them to recover some of their money and make some profit. Now, 1 cent is the goal. 1 cent is what we have been preaching for. 1 cent is what we are hoping for. Now, in 2025, with a lot of people having interest in Terra Luna, and Terra Luna still have about 3 to 4 zeros, it will attract many more people. Well, despite the history of Terra Luna that just went down, we still believe people will still invest in Terra Luna, especially now that Binance are actually behind Terra Luna, supporting Terra Luna. Now, in the year 2030, we are expecting the price of Terra Luna to actually hit 25 cents. Okay, that is in the year 2020. We're talking about the next 7.5 years to come. The price of Terra Luna is expected to hit 25 cents, and if Terra Luna is to go down, then expect Terra Luna to hit the price between 8 cents and 12 cents in the year 2030. And Terra Luna, if Terra Luna is to go high, we are expecting Terra Luna to hit up to 25 cents. Well, for those of you people have been telling you about Terra Luna hitting $1, well, it will be very difficult for Terra Luna to hit $1, especially now that the market cap of Terra Luna is approaching $1 billion. It will be difficult because Terra Luna needs a lot, and they need to burn more Terra Luna token. And we are also hoping for companies like Ethereum or like Wells companies, Bitcoin Wells, Cardano Wells, Ethereum Wells. We are expecting many more other companies to come in and start supporting Terra Luna, especially BitPay. If BitPay can really accept Terra Luna, then that will give room to so many big companies out there to start accepting Terra Luna, especially both Terra Luna MasterCard. That is to say, you can use your Terra Luna token to purchase item online, to withdraw money from ATM. Okay, and that will really happen if BitPay will accept and list Terra Luna on its platform, then expect the price of Terra Luna to really increase in price, especially now that CZ, Binance founder, have already thrown his support for Terra Luna Classic. With that in mind, we are expecting the price of Terra Luna by the year 2030 to hit at least 25 cents, maximum of 25 cents or 8 cents to 12 cents. Now, the 1 cent is the goal. Remember, even though Terra Luna will not hit 25 cents, what we are hoping for is the 100x, 1 cent. If Terra Luna can hit 1 cent, then we are good to go, because we must have made a lot of money. Remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. So please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.